In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your landscape video to portrait inside of CapCut. So this is very easy and I'll show you and explain how you do it right now. So first import a clip, so click import, or you can just open up your file explorer and drag your clip on. I'm going to use this video of the beach. And as you can see, this is in landscape 16 by 9 dimensions, and we're going to convert this to portrait. So what we can do is we can go and click on the clip. You can then go to ratio, and it's originally going to be on 16 by 9 if that's obviously the dimensions of your clip. If you want to change it to portrait, you need 9 by 16. This is going to be correct for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. You may notice when you do that, it's obviously going to try and keep all of the footage, but you may want to zoom into a specific part to avoid these black bars. So click back on your clip, and then if you go to video up here, you can essentially drag these dots and you can essentially make this bigger and fill the whole screen and choose what section of the video you want. You can do the same with these here, but doing it manually with this tool here is much easier. So we're going to drag this to wherever we need it, and there you go. Your landscape video is now portrait. I hope that quick video helped you out.